Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a link using cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cPanel.net. If you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started with managing your accounts. You want to go ahead and register for a new account if you do not already have one, and if you already have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page and you'll be able to access your dashboard. So your cPanel dashboard is going to look like something like this, where as you can see, you'll have your file manager, you have your databases and everything you need to manage your hosting. So now we can get started. So as you can see right here on the official cPanel.net website, there is an article showing us how to add a link to the cPanel interface that we can follow. So basically guys, what we're going to do is follow the steps you can find in the article right here. You're going to go and be adding a link to the cPanel interface using this section right here. You're going to create an install.json file, and then you're going to go and create a blank install.json file. After that, you can go and get started with using the cPanel's file system and managing all the sections right from there. So adding a custom group to the JSON file, you can follow all the steps right here. So find this article right here on the official cPanel.net website and follow the code that you need to create from here and managing your JSON files to go and get your links. So you'll be able to find everything you need from here and from your command interface to get started with adding your links. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.